Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is the preview of my project. So let's get started. I'm using this mixed media paper, and these are all tissue paper, jelly print paper, then some pattern papers. So I'm going to use all these things in this project. So let's get started. I'm using fluid matte medium. Then I'm going to take now pieces of the tissue paper. This is like a fun abstract project. So I'm just going to start with the tissue paper. Then I'm going to add in different places. So this is like a different color. So in this abstract project, I'm using more like a blue and reds. So you will see more of those. So this is like my jelly print paper. So I'm going to add more red jelly print paper. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button and leave your comments below. So I'm using the colors from that. Um, I'm not going like adding not too many colors. So, and this is like a tissue deli paper, and I just used a pen and did the mark making. So I'm going to add this in different places. So I had to keep adding till I feel like I'm satisfied. It is like very hard to stop once it keeps going. So I'm cutting this round and I'm keeping it so that I can use that as a circle kind of a um, collage. So I'm adding more as I keep looking at it. So it's a lot of fun to do abstract. You have a lot of freedom and you can play with it. You can add more textured paper also in this. Then I'm just thinking whether I to add more or I can stop here. Then now I'm going to make sure everything is dry. Then I'm going to use now um, pen mark making. It's kind of up to you if you want to add more stuff, or you can um, use stamp or stencil. It's you can use any of those. I love using this acrylic paint, so I keep adding things with this. And then now I'm going to scribble it. That gives a different texture on the background. Then I'm going to widen it using the brush. Then I'm going to use the gold pen, and I feel like it is not very clear. But I'm using this Uniball gold pen. Then now I'm using again black pen. Then I'm going to do some mark making. Now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm using this acrylic paint pen. Now I'm adding this kind of like a leftover dye. So that gives some extra texture in the background. So this is like almost finished project. I'm just going to add this one last dye in this, and then I'm going to finish it. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. um, if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and then leave your comments below. um, you can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.